McCormick efo'r gic gornel. Tuag at Callum Humphreys! A mae Bwcle ar y blaen. Humphreys yn codi'n uwch na neb gweitha 3 amddiffynwr o'i gwmpas. Grogan. Y gic hir yn canfod Humphreys i fewn i'r cwr Cosby. Driscoll yn disgyn i Boedal! Ac mae'n ddwy ddim. Chwaraewyr Rhuthun yn hawlio bod na lawio. O, mae rhai fi ddweud, o'n i'm yn gweld dim byd o'i le efo honna. Peniad ymlaen yn disgyn yn garedig yn y diwedd i Boedal. Hampson. Y bel yn fer tuag at Owen ac yn derbyn y bas yn ôl. Hampson yn edrych i fyny tuag at y postyn pellach lle mae Dyer yn dod ar Rhuthun yn ôl i'r gêm. Mae Rhuthun yn ôl yn y gêm. Mae Hampson yn cael llawer gormod amser i bigo i groesiad a Dyer yna i Rhuthun. Hampson sydd dros y gic rydd i fewn i'r cwrt bach lle mae Morris ar peniad ac mae Rhuthun yn gyfartal. Da ni di chwarae 5 munud dros y 90 a mae'r ymwelwyr yn gyfartal.
So disappointed with best team for today, I thought, and we've just 2 set pieces we've switched off, and you can't do that. And to be honest, it's naive from the lads. They're all there and their heads are down, and because we've worked very hard over the last couple of weeks. Listen, everyone knows it's not been easy. We've had bare 11 players most week with young kids, and now we've got a proper squad back. We've got a good squad of players. Have brought the right players in, and we was hoping today would be the start of it, really. But so listen, it's a minor setback. I'm disappointed. Last couple of minutes, last 2 minutes was it the goal. But as I said, we'll move on from it, and we'll get points in the next game.
Got to take a happy point away from that in the end. Then it wasn't a great game, but you can see the pitch yourselves. The pitch is one of the worst we'll play on all season, and we have to adapt our game today, play a little bit different, go a little bit more direct. And if I'm being honest, I think they probably handled the conditions better than us, which they've played on it a lot more. They've played on it a good few times now, so they've probably mastered it. And we've come here today to try to adapt on a pitch like that, and it hasn't been a very good spectacle. And we'll take a point and we'll go away and move on to next week.